Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use brick in Dandy's world. To begin, simply select the brick item from your inventory. Then, click on any empty grid space to place it. Bricks are fundamental for building structures and shaping your environment. You can easily remove a misplaced brick using the demolition tool, which returns it to your inventory for later use. Mastering basic placement is your first step to becoming a master builder. Moving beyond the basics, advanced techniques allow for more complex creations. You can stack bricks up to 10 units high, enabling you to build impressive towers or multi-level environments. Experiment with combining different brick materials, such as stone and wood, to add visual interest and vary structural properties. Don't forget to use half bricks for detailed work, like crafting stairs or decorative ledges, adding a refined touch to your builds. Understanding brick properties is key to effective building. A standard brick provides a stable surface, capable of supporting up to 500 pounds of weight without collapsing. Some specialized brick types, such as reinforced steel, are completely immune to environmental damage, making them perfect for critical structures. Furthermore, bricks can conduct energy when properly connected to power sources, allowing you to activate various mechanisms and bring your creations to life. Finally, let's explore some creative applications for bricks. You can design clever hidden passages by strategically placing bricks that seamlessly blend with the surrounding environment, surprising your friends. Challenge other players by constructing elaborate mazes, perhaps using 100 or more bricks to create a truly perplexing puzzle. Don't forget the artistic side. Use different brick colors and shapes to build decorative statues and sculptures, showcasing your unique creative vision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.